Hey besties, I miss y'all so much. Oh my god. Hey y'all, welcome back to my video. Welcome to my vlog that I will be doing for my channel. It's vlogging for you guys, you know, because I like to vlog, you know. Anyway, right now I am trying to get my life together. This is the type of video, this is the type of vlog I'm trying to get my life together. I wake up this morning, went back to sleep, then I wake up again, then went back to sleep. Oh my gosh, y'all, me having dreams right now is me at work, like at my job. That's my dream right now, and it's like my third time having this type of dream that I am at work. But yeah, well, today I don't have work, not right now, but tonight I do have work tonight. That's be later on though. So you know what? I need to make videos for you guys because I'm not gonna stop. Anyway, so I was about to do yoga because I had no stress since I have started working. I want to stretch. So yeah, I want to go back my stretching area, you know, and do some yoga. I really want to do that. I think I am gonna do that. But I want my room to be clean. My room is not the prettiest right now. It's places all over the place and stuff. My bed not straightened. The floor is just a mess. I need to put everything back in their own place how it was as before. Oh yeah, I forgot. I came in. You changed your room. What happened? Yeah. I changed my room, and I have changed my room. I rechanging. It's nothing too crazy. It's just the decoration I put in different places, in different areas. You know what I mean? You know what? Let me show y'all. As y'all can see, I put more green vines up here, like there was on my walls right here. I put it up here, more of it. And look at this little thing, so cute. But yeah, so I put it up there. And y'all know the picture collage was right here, but now it's right here. Okay, now it's right here, as you can see. I like that so much. I'm gonna block this line here, as you can see. There you go. Yeah, you know, and I put more green vines right there on my calendar. And then I put my CD player, my flower, my neon sign, and this right here, the cherry. So yeah, I really do like this so much. Wish I could do it from the beginning. My CD players was right here, and I move it right here, and I love it so much. I think this is so nice. I really like this thing. Like, it's so much better. I don't know, it's very different. We change my room sometimes since I feel depressed and sad, and I was like, oh, everything feels so colored up, and I just want to change everything, but I can't change everything in this room yet, but I am probably in August. I don't know, I have some plan that I want to do on my side of my room. But yeah, so what this one now at this moment right here in my room, I like it. It really helped me a lot to figure out my life. I don't know why I like that. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go and clean it up in my room, and then when I finish that, I am gonna do some yoga. I'm gonna do some slashing yoga. Am I saying that right? Yoga. There you go. And I'm gonna make some breakfast, and I'm gonna make some coffee. I made some coffee yesterday, and it was the bomb. It was the bomb.com. It was so good. A little bit. I bet that thing up. And I'm gonna make it today again because I know exactly how I did it, and I will be showing y'all. Y'all should do it because this is so good. So you know what? let me stop talking and get everything cleaned up for my mind be clean. I have a space mind in my head, and I need to clean out my Notion, and I need to go in my books to see some videos ideas on. I need to plan more, because you know I'm trying to post daily on YouTube, which I want to do that. So yeah, I need to figure out some social media stuff, because me, I want to be a big influencer. I want to be a big YouTuber. My goal is to get 1,200 subscribers. So that means that I gotta keep on posting, and I hope that y'all like my videos. But yes, please subscribe, please. If you don't, I understand, but it will be helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Like I said, if I hit 1,200 subscribers, I will open a giveaway. But I want to give some to you guys, because y'all have helped me a lot from the past years. So yeah, I should stop talking and get this clean. Okay, I am done, finished. I got my eggs and sausage, yeah. Got some eggs and sausage, and this is my coffee that I'm talking about. I messed up in the beginning. It's supposed to be caramel first, and then the Dunkin' and creamer, and then I put my coffee in here, and milk. So yeah, I did all that, but the caramel, I messed up the caramel. Ooh, I'm so mad, but hopefully I'll get some tomorrow. And I put caramel on the top, but it's fading away, but it's really good. Like, y'all could taste the caramel. This tastes the bomb. It's really good. Y'all should try it. Oh yeah, the coffee, instant coffee, I use at Starbucks. But I am going to show y'all what type of coffee that my sister got it really, but she really don't use it that much. So I use it, and it's pretty good. But this coffee, like Dunkin' collab with Starbucks. I don't know if that sounds good or not, but this coffee, it tastes so good. This is my new favorite. So I always try different tastes and stuff. Oh, it tastes so good. Y'all should try it. I'll probably show y'all the video clip that what type that I use for my coffee, and I hope y'all try. Y'all can try any milk, you know. I drink regular milk, but like, you know what I mean? Y'all can try any milk, but like this one here tastes so good. Okay, you know what? Let me go eat now. Talk to y'all later. Okay guys, so it's past time, few hours. I am about to film some TikTok. I'm about to film some TikTok. There's some trend going on TikTok that I would like to do. You know, one day I will do a video like trying to do the TikTok famous. One day, you know, try to go viral on TikTok for a week. You know, I really want to do that type of video, but it could be like a whole other week. And yeah, I want to do that type of video because I want to see that. You know, I just want to see the glow. You never know. You never know if you let me try it. Something like that. I don't know. Now, I'm about to do this twin. I'm gonna go do that twin, but I'm gonna switch it up. This little and some couples trend that I'm gonna do on TikTok right now and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm really happy because, you know, this I getting some content in for you guys. Of course, I'm vlogging. My room is clean, which I feel so nice. My room is clean, and I'll go do some couple of TikToks, and I'll go on Notion to plan out my day for the new week and my book too. What else I need to do? Oh yeah, yoga. I am gonna stretch tonight. I'm gonna stretch when I come back from work, and I will be vlogging the whole day and tonight. So yeah, I hope this will be a great vlog for you guys and for me to edit and come up with some editing ideas to do this vlog. I'm very happy vlogging because I really love vlogging and do other different videos, but vlogging is my top favorites. I really do. I'm about to go do that now.
A few moments later.
I just ordered something on Shein with my own money. Okay, so I am outside right now because I got to read a book. I want to finish this book because I started reading this book when I was watching my nephews. So, with the kids dog days, I'm about to read this when I am outside. It feels pretty nice. So yeah, I'm about to go do that and listen to local music. Okay, it's 2:40 a.m. in the morning. I've been home since maybe like an hour. I came back home since 10:30, and I came back, took a shower. I'm all clean. I feel clean, and I give me some more dinner. I ate before I left. Now I came back and eat again, but yeah, I feel so good on it. But I just finna do some chores. Not chores. I was supposed to do dishes, but my mama beat me to it. I'm supposed to do dishes. She not supposed to do dishes, but whatever. I fold the clothes up. So what now? I about to have my self-care night and about to do my yoga. I was supposed to do it in the morning, but I didn't. And I'm about to use the face mask that I used last time for getting my life together, beginning of January. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna use the eye thing, but I'm gonna use it when I'm reading the book. I didn't really got the chance to read the book outside because all these big mosquitoes got me so mad. But yeah, I'm gonna go do that now, and y'all can see that I set the vise up. I got my galaxy light on and my neon sign on, and I'm about to turn this light down to the favorite color for this light. And yeah, y'all will see me doing my yoga.